Today's connected shopper has higher expectations than ever. In their shopping experience in brick and mortar, they want security, efficiency, ease of shopping. Toshiba is a company that's providing solutions in this area. They have a tagline, frictionless shopping. Michael Schaefer, tell us a little bit about what this means.
Yeah, so what our innovation team was really challenged with this frictionless shopping concept is if you look at kind of the Amazon Go store format, it works because they built that all from the ground up and they built a whole store around that specific technology. But what we believe is that no retailer is going to knock down all of their shelving and build and start from scratch. So what we challenge ourselves to do is use different technologies together as a solution that'll overlay on existing physical store kind of operations. We didn't want to challenge the store in any way because we want to make it operational friendly. So that's kind of what we're left with this solution.
It looks like a part of that is right behind us. Can you show us how it works?
Yeah, so it's a mix of different types of technology. So there's artificial intelligence, edge computing with visual analytics, as well as some smart shelf technologies. And what that allows us to do is, one allows you as you're picking stuff off the shelf, it obviously knows and could put it in your virtual basket. It allows for dynamic planogram planning, so if a customer moves things around, the technology is smart enough to relearn the shelf and know what exactly you take, as well as kind of out of stock items. So from an inventory management perspective, you can kind of pull all items out and alert sales store associates that things are out of stock and they can come in and refill.
Now, is this just a simple RFID-based sensory system? What's the technology behind it?
No, it's not RFID. Everything is off-the-shelf products. It's just the technology is really within the artificial intelligence, edge computing in the cameras, as well as kind of the smart shelf technology. And it's really designed in a way that even when all of it's not working, so let's say if we were able to cover, if one of the cameras was covered, let's say with an umbrella, it's still smart enough to read the shelf and understanding what is happening.
Michael, thank you very much for demonstrating this really cutting-edge technology.
Thank you.
Michel Dimda, an excellent demonstration we just saw. Is this frictionless shopping technology, is this something that's market ready?
No, it's actually not an off-the-shelf product. So we are looking for partners in the retail space to actually bring this to life. Yeah.
What is then Toshiba here actually demonstrating market-ready products and solutions?
Well, we are convinced that retailers are basically looking for this next generation technology, but also for innovation that can be implemented today and tomorrow. So our solutions on the booth are basically centered around three different areas. One is how retailers can improve the shopping experience for the consumer in the store through mobility, self-services, and digital signage. The second one is to enable the store associate to engage with the consumer in the store. And the third area is to drive efficiency for the retailer, for instance, through robotics and staff picking and consumer tracking.
Michel Dimda, thank you for your time, and really fascinating things being demonstrated here from Toshiba, a leader in innovation today, both in theory and in practical applications.